I hate fiberglass too. But
That looks pretty good.
it's actually pretty solid down here. Man, did he take the core all the way out or just like that?
Yeah.
Okay, now, oh my gosh.
It's from all the wheelies.
Whoa. Yeah, I ain't gonna mess around with the stock exhaust. See down in there, see if anything need cleaned out still? Is it part of it down in there? Or?
No, it's empty.
Is it empty? Okay. I figured it would be. It just burned it all up.
No way.
Yeah, it's been blasting it out. You've been breathing that when you're behind me. Nobody's behind me. I usually stay last. But I guess it was, and that was actually down the, it pulled down, so
It should
it was
be all
like,
the way
it was
down.
like half. You can,
Yeah.
you kind of see the,
It's less than half.
wow, that's kind of cool.
Yeah.
Like, this is why you should repack.
10,000 miles, not repacked. This is what you get.
10 to 20 hours.
We hit another 5,000 to go. Yeah. Let's get it started and then we'll go.
I got pretty good.
Okay, let's leave this because I have a feeling we're gonna have to like.
It fits and ships.
We're gonna have to. I'm going way better than I thought, but it's actually a little bit down. So maybe we're good.
All the screws